Hi guys, this is Rewire. Check out my brand new DJ course exclusively at FaderPro. In this course, I'm going to show you how to reimagine your approach to DJing for the modern age, using new skills, new techniques on new technology. I'm going to break down exactly how I DJ. I'm going to show you exactly how to execute a DJ set from preparation to execution, whether you're a bedroom DJ or a festival DJ. And you will also learn what it takes to deliver a top-level performance. I'm going to show you advanced mixing tips and tricks that I use in my own sets. I'll show you how to apply your new skill set, all whilst giving you demos, tips, and my personal secret tricks. I'm going to pass on the knowledge I've picked up over many years in my DJ career. I'm going to show you also how to develop your social media and your approach to social media to stay current in this day and age. Times have changed and we're going to do it together. Welcome to my complete guide to modern DJing.